It changed things a lot. I can walk properly. I can sit down properly. I can even go up little steps. I've got on right now boots, but I can wear tights, socks, anything that goes on your legs. They're just amazing and they make me feel included.